Have you ever wanted to have a mock-up that actually played a video? Well, I am going to show you how to do that today inside of Canva. Look how stinking cute this is. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back y'all. Welcome back y'all. Welcome back. Let's just jump right into the video. Let go. Okay, so we are inside of Canva and I just want to show you guys something really cool. This is a mock-up for video, okay? So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to custom size. This is Canva's homepage. I'm going to go to custom size and I'm just going to go 3000 by 3000 pixels. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to scroll down to apps, okay? Once I click on apps, I am going to search mockups, MOCKUPS, okay? And then right here, it says mockup. So I'm going to select that one. And then I'm going to look at videos. I'm going to select all. And here, you can now make mock-up videos. So this is going to be a complete game changer for when you're trying to make things for social media. Make sure you stay around to the end of the video. I give some really cool tips and some things I figured out with this. It's so cool. So make sure you stay. So we're going to scroll and we're going to just look at some of the mock-ups. We see there's some business cards. They're moving it. There is a laptop, a cell phone. There's so many different mock-ups. There's a mug. Oh, there's a gift tag. So I'm going to click on some of these and show you what they will look like. However, we're going to just look at a few. Oh, a candle. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. Tumblers. So you can use these for your regular business, but if you're a crafter, these are going to be a game changer for us, okay? We even have journals. So I'm going to scroll down so we can see a few, and then I'm going to click on a few. Oh, I love this one. The laptop halfway open, and then it's opening. All right, so like I said, you can use these specifically for anything. Tote bags. We could use these for marketing, promotionals, all types of things, okay? So these are the only videos that we see so far. And then look, they have 7 seconds, 6, 8 seconds. You could also loop these or make them twice if you want them longer. You can shorten them, make them shorter, etc. All right, so let's grab some things that we would actually use. So I'm going to click on this, and this is my first time seeing it, doing this, guys. So we're doing it together. You know, we typically do a lot of things together for the first or second time, okay? If you're new here, I like doing things live with you guys. Or for the first time with you guys, majority of the time. If not, I may play around with it once or twice before. So now it's giving you directions. It says insert your image. Drag and drop any image into the mockup. The easiest way to do this is from the uploads tab. So you could actually drag and drop from outside of here, like if something was on my desktop. But we're going to just go to uploads. I don't even know what's on there, but we're going to go to uploads and see what we have, okay? So I'm going to scroll to my uploads. Okay. And then we are going to, because Valentine's Day is literally right around the corner, grab one of these. I still have to post this video, you guys. This is super cute. So we're going to go ahead. Well, first let me make this larger. So that's what I want to do. I want to make it larger, okay? So I'm filling this up. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to drag and drop. Oh, come on. Is it going to work? Let's drag and drop the photo in. Why is it not working? Oh, maybe it's loading. Like I said, it's my first time. I'm just showing you guys how things really work. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it just needed a second. I'm going to double click on it and I'm going to make it larger, scoot it over and make it larger. They ran into an issue. Okay. And then now it's loading. Like I said, this is real time. Things may happen. They say they're doing some finishing touches. Sit back. We'll take it from here. Okay. So now there's my mock-up. And then look, it's steam coming at the top of it. Okay, that's super cute, especially for mugs and things. Those are things that we create and sell. Now, when I click on this video, y'all see this says edit. So we can fill it, we could smart crop it, we could flip it, we could detach the image. But look at this, we can change the color of the mug. Okay. So now before, when we did the mock-ups, we couldn't change the colors. Now I'm not sure if they recently did that, but before we could not change the colors. So this is a really, really good update. So we can go and change to the solid colors, default colors. We can pick the colors from the picker, or we can pick a color. We could go ahead and drop that picker. You see that? And whatever we hover over inside of the actual photo, we can go and select that, and then we could go to apply changes. And then, okay, it's giving us that we're updating over here. It's a progress bar, and then it's going to change the color of the cup. Okay. So, there you go. Oh, that is cute. You press play, and then you see the pretty little steam coming from the mug. Oh, that's fire. I like that a lot. I'm going to add another page, and then we're going to go back. So these are popular mock-ups: smartphone videos, print, apparel, computer, frames, home and living, packaging, outdoor graphics, tables and tablets, watches. But this one is specifically videos. So let's go to, I know we make tote bags. A lot of people make tote bags. So we're going to make a tote bag video. And where did she go? Because like I said, I don't know what the video does because I've never used this. So let's just press play first so I could see what she does. Let's start her from the beginning and press play. Okay, she stands, moves a little bit, and then she's going to walk off the screen. Okay, stop playing with her. Let's go back to uploads. So we're going to go to our uploads. And then where to go? We're going to go to our uploads, and then we're going to drop it. Okay. And I did notice that the actual drag and drop has to be on the screen for it to drop into the image, which makes sense. Okay. All right, we're gonna move that out the way. Okay, so also you see, so it's not perfect, but I love that I'm doing this live because you see I had to actually move it out the way. So when I double clicked on the video, it showed me that it had uploaded, right? And then I had to move the photo out the way, but now it's on there. And we can do the same thing with the edits if we want to take the, oh, it's already on there. We could do the same thing with the edits if we want to change the color of the bag, okay? Okay, so we're going to change that color bag. So let's say if we want to make this a DTF or something like that, then we could go ahead. We're going to change that color. We're going to press apply changes. And then we're going to let that progress bar load. And then now it's going to change the color on to here. Okay, so now we have the video on a color bag. That looks so cute. Okay, now I really want to show you some important tips that I figured out because remember, this was my first time playing around with it, but look how cute this mock-up is. It literally shows you a full 360, where as far as it could go, probably like 275 of the video for the actual mug. Like, that is a game changer. Okay, this one is really cute. Like I said, for marketing, look how dope that is. I absolutely love it. Oh wow, and it scooted it over. And then this one is amazing once again, like I said, for business cards, He's just moving the business cards. It's another one that I really like for business cards as well. Here is one for t-shirts. Okay. Super cute. And I do want to let you know, you can play around with the sizing. Remember, I just used the 3000 by 3000, but you for sure can play around with the sizing. It does not have to be this particular size. Let's see if her foot moves too. Okay, nope, just her putting her hat on. Okay. So now here's something I figured out that was really cool. When you double click on the video, look at this. So this is an image that I created, an AI image. And stay tuned because I will be having another AI class. So stay tuned for that because it was, yeah. So just stay tuned for the next AI class. I created this AI image and this is actually on my wall in my room. But anywho, you can adjust it. You can rotate it. So remember, we can fill it. We can fit it. We could do a smart crop. All right, but you always have to make sure you press apply changes, and then it's going to go ahead and apply the changes with the progress bar up there. All right, and we're going to see how that looks because that makes a complete difference. But this is really cool, you guys. I'm so excited about the possibilities for this. So let's see what this video does. Oh, okay, it just moves around like you're at like a mall or somewhere. I'm assuming those are like escalators, but that's really dope. And then you would double click on this one as well. You can drag it or you can do those fills and fits, but you have to press apply changes for it to actually apply. So always remember, you have to click that purple apply changes button to get it to actually work. Okay. And then that's that, super aesthetic and cute. I did notice when you first click on it, it's kind of, okay, it fixed it. It was like black and white in the beginning, but I think that's just the first one. And then more business cards, more business cards, little posters, invitations, anything. Super cute. Now this is the card I like. I think that's so dope. Okay. And then here's the journals. Y'all know we create journals all the time. So look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. For journal and book covers. Oh, my planner covers. All the things. That's super dope. And then we're just going to do their watching my YouTube channel. Welcome back, y'all. Wow. You think I impressed them? And then once again, look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so I just want to show you guys some in action. So that's all I wanted to do. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. I hope you loved the video. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye.